To open a request for service, use the New option to create a new record. Select the category for the issue. Select the subcategory. Describe the issue. Verify the affected person and their contact information. Click No, as no photo will be attached. Identify the location where the work should take place. If this is work to be performed on a specific asset, select the asset or click Skip this step. Enter additional information that may help to plan for or obtain approval for the work. Finally, identify if this is high priority. When you have provided the necessary information, submit the request.